Good morning everyone, I hope you're having a fantastic Sunday. I don't normally vlog on a Sunday, but I feel since I've started back work that in order to give you, oh god, hang on, my dad's been driving my car the last few days. I've just come to Aldi, but I'm picking up stuff for Noah, and I also think I might look and see do they have this lamp. I'm just really excited about everything that's going on with the house and everything, guys. I'm so glad I can talk about it to you as well and share our journey online as well, because Patty and I, like I said, have kept this to ourselves for so long, and it's just nice to be able to talk about it. And now that all the stress is over and done with, I say that, but then renovations are a bit stressful too, and they're very expensive. Like, I mean, every single thing got to do with a house is so expensive, but we're getting there, and I just cannot wait till we're moving in. I just can't wait till it's our home, and I feel like it's going to take a long time before like it feels like that, because there's still so many bits and pieces of work to do. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to go into Aldi and pick up these bits. There's loads of household bits in here, like really nice little bits and pieces. Red covers. There's one of the candles. I got this one here earlier, and they've got makeup bits and pieces and more candles and diffusers and stuff. What's that? I think they're more candles. They've loads of bits and pieces in here for the home, and then they've also got potato peelers and grills, a churro maker. Don't think I quite need one of them. Ooh, fondue set. How fun. I think these plates are really nice. I was looking at getting these, but we've obviously nowhere to put dinner plates yet, so no point in getting chopping boards and things. Oh, these are so nice. I got this the last time I was in here, and it's so nice. Ooh, I might get that one. I'll get that as well. It's the Copy of the Laura Mercier one. It looks so nice. It's only $6.40, but I very rarely use a bath these days. Hello guys, sorry, my battery actually died when I went to Aldi to pick up a lamp. I saw it on the website and I was like, I need that. It kind of looks like something out of the White Company or something from like Zara Home. I just really liked it, but it was only €35 in Aldi. Like, such a good price. Noah's legging it over here towards me. We're going to the house today to take up carpets and floors and have a look around and meet the plumber and whatnot. You have the keys to the house? Mm-hmm. Great. So we are getting stuck into doing a bit of work and trying to price our bathroom and make sure that everything that we're power steering pump, is it? We'll chat to you guys after we're in the house and talking to the plumber and whatnot. Oh, we got a lovely card from Patty's friends, Hannah and Simon. And we have a good few of them here. We have other ones up in the other house and Christmas cards and stuff that people have sent us. So this is so cute. So we're in the house now. My dad was here a while ago and he was doing a little bit of work on the ceiling. I think I talked to you guys about that when I was discussing the fact that it was like a popcorn ceiling. He's trying to remove that, but it didn't go as well, so I think the builder is going to be doing that for us. Dad also tried to take up one of the tiles and said that it is going to be a bit of a tricky situation, so we'll see how we get on with that. Yeah, they're just some of the bits that he managed to get off. These are our tiles that we got last week for the bathroom, which I absolutely love. They're for our own suite. They're so nice. We got them in white price tiles, and they're just a really nice slate grey. Perfect. There's a lot of work going to be going on here today. We have a lot of things that we want to do. Tearing up the carpets obviously being the one thing that we could it'd be great if we could achieve that today, and then maybe see about the tiles and stuff. So we'll see how we get on. I'm gonna pull them all up.
Going down to the garage room first, because that's where we're dumping all the carpets.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, we can do it, doesn't really matter.
Yeah, so did you do the back corner, was it?
So we're making a little bit of progress. Not much, but a little bit. So here's my new front room. We took everything up, all the floorboards and everything. It's just kind of ready to get our new floors in. It just looks so bare and hollow in here. But I'm so glad to have the old floor in. It was just laminate, but it just kind of pulled up really easy and it just looks so much better now with a little bit of renovations. And then we also took out the ones in the hall, and then this is what the stairs looks like, because our new carpet is coming after the bathrooms are done. All the rooms now look like this, and they need underlay on it obviously, and we'll probably reinforce some of the floors because some of them look a bit like, you can see here, like they're a bit squeaky, so we'll probably reinforce them just to stop the squeaking. There's my lamp. I'm going to get a second one of these because I actually think it's really nice, and I'm going to put them in our living room. So yeah, these are going to stay here because we have to buy them gripper things anyway. So we're just going to leave them here for the time being. I think these wooden panels are all coming out. This is Noah's bedroom. There's the stairs. All the curtains are coming off. We had the plumber look at this situation here. He said there's no leaking or anything like that, but he's going to check all the radiators. And our room. There's our new tiles for the bathroom. So you would have seen these tiles probably in another vlog, and they're going into our ensuite, which we actually need to take the lino out of there as well. And the plumber had a look at the floor in here because he just said that this floor needs to be reinforced a bit. So he has like these metal, or not metal, like reinforcement things for the floor that stops it squeaking. So I like to see a man hard at work.
Ah, yeah. She wore different shoes.
Ooh.
I'll leave the back. Look, down to this corner here. Okay. Put your feet there.
Just needs new skirting boards and new floors, lick paint, and then this room is pretty much like done. I'm going to be obviously getting a carpenter to build the units either side, but yeah, there's not really that much room or not much work to do in this room. The fireplace will be coming out, but again, it's not crazy high priority on our list. What we're going to do now is go get some lunch somewhere, and then we are going to come back and finish doing the last few bits, like pulling the skirting board out. The plumber was so nice, really helpful. He's able to do everything that we want in the bathrooms, and he's given us a really good price. I am so excited to get stuck into renovations. It has been so much go today, guys. I feel like I haven't really even spoken to you properly. We were at the house earlier today, as you saw, and we did a bit of renovations. We met the plumber. That's kind of why we were over in the house anyway, it was just to meet the plumber and talk to him about the work that needs to be done. And he was so helpful, so I don't need to actually get a builder. We just need to hire the plumber to do the work. I have work tomorrow and stuff, so there's not really much more we can do with the house today. I said we better like leave it and get stuck in at another time. It's kind of hard to do any renovations when you're working full time. I'll talk about work in a minute, but it is hard, and I feel like I'm not helping as much because when I am not working, I'm obviously with Noah. One of the great things though about my job is that I'm actually working from home. I started my new job last week, and I absolutely am loving it so far because I've been given the duties that I'm going to be doing, and the duties that I'm going to be doing are very similar to my previous job. Just I was working in a different area. I'm working within the government, so I was working in a different area of the government. I'm doing a lot of similar work in this new role, which is great because I have a little less training than I thought that I might need, which means that I can now work from home as soon as I'm kind of like trained up and everything. It's not that bad because I just get the train into town and then I just walk from the train to my office and it's grand. But it just would be nicer obviously working from home. So I'm very fortunate that my job is allowing me to work from home, and I'm just so happy with the role that I'm in, and everything has just kind of like fallen into place. And it is just the universe, like things happen when you least expect them, and the things that you want, even though they seem out of reach, they just come at the right time. I know I sound kind of rambly, I'm just saying that I'm very happy and content in everything that's happened at the moment, and just with the house getting bits and pieces done with that, and knowing that we can move into it not like in not that long of a space of time is just absolutely amazing. Like I am so excited to be moving into our house, and I think I spoke about it before. We were aiming to be in by Noah's birthday, which looks like we're kind of on point and target for that. I need to meet with the kitchen, the guy who's designing our kitchen. We're doing that next week. But yeah, everything's all go. It's very exciting. I hope you're enjoying these vlogs. I know they're not really like my normal type of vlogs. Obviously I'm talking a lot about the house and work and stuff. It's just kind of what's going on in life at the moment, and it's not so much makeup. And I will be able to talk to you more about like house things, you know, like decor, because I always find that a little bit more interesting. Hey guys, so I'm just getting ready for bed. Sorry, I'm kind of like whispering. Noah's asleep, and if I talk loud lately it just wakes him up. I'm so tired. I don't know what's going on with my lips. I don't know. Had a very busy day. Very busy day, and I am looking forward to hitting the hay. I was just watching Call the Midwife there now. I love that show. Work tomorrow. I might be able to vlog a little bit maybe at the end of the day because I am working from home, so I might be able to like vlog from 4:30 onwards, because I usually finish work around 4, 4:30. Early start for me in the morning. I love you guys so much, and thank you for watching today's vlog. I'll talk to you in my next one. Yeah, I love you guys. Bye.